Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Word 2016 video lesson series. So this is the last video lesson of our video lesson series. In this video lesson series we will be learning about help option provided by Microsoft Word. Sometimes you get stuck somewhere and what you can do? You can search on internet, but that is another thing. Microsoft Word provide inbuilt option to get help from Microsoft Word Help Center. So to get help you can go to this file menu where you will find this help option. Click on to this help option. So you can see there are two options available here. One is give feedback to Microsoft. And if you want to give some suggestion or your feedback to Microsoft, then you can do it using this option. So it will open up feedback form. What kind of feedback do you have? I like something, I dislike something, or I have a suggestion. I like. I am clicking on to this I like something and give feedback. This is awesome. If you want to write email address of yours, then you can write it here and click on to this submit. So feedback will be sent to Microsoft. Now let's get back to help option. To get help you can click on to this question mark button and it will open new window. Here you can write what you want to do, where you stuck. So I am writing insert table and press enter on your keyboard. Here are the some links of your answer. First one is insert a table into Word. So add a table to Word document including using table grid finer control with insert table dialog. So click on to this link and it will give you detailed description how you can insert a table into your document. There is no need to go on to internet, there is no need to go on to YouTube, you can just find it right here. So it shows go to insert menu, click on to this table drop down and select the rows and column of your table. And you can select designs, you can select layout and you can also specify table size from this window. So this is about help from Word Online Help. Now let's see, you can also find help menu right there into Word Online menu. Here it is. Just write what you want to do here. For example, I want to insert headers. So if I write header, it will provide me answers like insert header and footer. Yes. Click on to this link and it will open headers and footers right at that moment. So this is very wonderful feature. You can also leave comment, add a table, insert header from right here. So this is about help in Microsoft Word. So bye bye, take care. Hope you enjoyed this video lesson series. Thank you very much.